organizations from PPO who are here. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Morning!
And to all the previous president of PPO who are here also. I've seen Dr. Leong, Engineer Jun Pokis. Yeah, that's it. Two of them are here. And to all the other guests who are here also. And also to our sponsors, the NPC Panalo Padala. Salamat po sa pag-sponsor sa pagmamahal nito. Sa G1. Sa G1 also who is one also of our sponsor for this tournament. Thank you. At you can also join the game in NBC. You can also join the game today. And ano pa? Yung pagkain po natin, yung breakfast po natin, nagdala po kami ng kape at saka pandesal nandito po. Kung sino po gusto magkape, hindi lang po ng tubig doon sa tubig na lang kasi may kape po tayo dito para tapos courtesy po ng people yung tubig kasi nandito na yung kape at saka yung pandesal. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikisa sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po.